Microsolar dome is true to its name. This solar energy device can now bring light to the lives of many tribal households. This microsolar dome is affectedly role in the tribal and remote areas in India. It would not be inappropriate to say that the sun sustains energy, enhance life on earth, where solar energy takes care need of light on earth during daytime. Millions of households without reliable access to electricity and placed into darkness at night arrives. Now with the microsolar dome lighten these households even at night. MSD, the Nobel solar lighting device, is similar to the skylight of golden time and will now bring energy to the tribal areas in India. Socializing the microsolar dome is empowering marginalized rural, SC, ST and tribal communities through solar illumination and solar electricity. This device is launched by Professor S.P. Ganchaudhary.
Some of the innovative works which I have done, another innovative work I have done which is very popular now, that is microsolar dome. That microsolar dome is a unique device which is really providing power during day, and it's a unique device which captures both daytime solar light as well as during night time. It works with the photovoltaic route. So this type of microsolar dome are installed in slum areas and rural, very remote rural areas.
The components in this microsolar dome: upper dome, sun tube with highly reflective coating, sun filter, PV module clamping nut bolt, controller box inside circuit, USB port for mobile charging, lower dome with LEDs fitted, system on-off switch, AC adapter, on-off switch, PV connections, indicator, charging, light on, low voltage cut-off. Where should be installed? The MSD should be installed on that part of the GCI, asbestos, clay tile, rooftop which gets the maximum sunlight. Before installation, the roof should be checked properly, particularly in respect of durability. It should be ensured that a person can work on the roof to fix up the dome. Precautions to the taken before the installation. Transportation of the domes should be done very carefully so that there is no hairline crack in it. The place selected for installation should not have reached condition or too old mud tile roof sheet. In that case, it should be changed before the installation. Ensure that the rooftop is free from the problem of water leaking during the earlier monsoons. Ensure that the place of installation gets sunlight throughout the day. Take all safety precautions during installation of the dome. Use a proper ladder for going to roof. Walk on the roof only through strong structured areas. These are required for the installation of MSD. Safety goggles, safety gloves, safety masks, angle grinder or hand grinder, grinder blades, drilling machine, jigsaw machine, AC extension cord, GCI sheet, scissors or cutter, screwdriver set, chisel, plier, spanner, hammer, half round file, box, barrel gun, beta seal or M seal, digital multimeter, soldering iron, wire and paste, marker pen, dust remover cloth, sandpaper, microsolar dome forma, ladder, asbestos, GCI sheet, GI sheet, mud tiles, thatch, coconut, bamboo leaf roof